Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some DIY quarantine nails. So in this tutorial, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're starting with clean, dry nails. You can use alcohol and spray on your nails and just wipe them off with a dry towel to clean off any extra oils that might be on the nails or the nail bed. Here you can use any type of press-on nails that you like. I'm going to be using the Kiss press-ons with the peach nail at the bottom. You'll use a nail file to file off that top thin layer of the nail, and that just helps to have our press-on nail to stick better once we apply our glue. So as you can see here, I'm just going over the nail lightly with the nail file. Excuse me. And you'll do that to every nail and just get as close as you can to the edges of the cuticle bed and around the edges, and that just helps to prevent lifting. And now once you're done with all that, you can just brush off all the excess nail residue, and then open up your nails and start applying them. What I like to do is I kind of like to look through the nail assortment to see which nails are going to fit my nail the best. So you'll see me kind of go through this assortment of nails and figure out which ones fit my nails the best. I'm gonna just use the Kiss nail glue to apply them. Once you have measured your nail and found one that's going to be the perfect fit, I'm going to start with my pinky nail. As you can see here, I'm going to take my nail glue and add a few drops of the glue to the bottom of the press-on nail, and then just press that onto my nail for a few seconds to distribute the glue evenly across the nail bed and remove any like air bubbles that might be underneath of the nail. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I truly appreciate it. Here you can see I have just a little tiny air bubble, and you might get those. It's okay. Like, it's not a big deal, just as long as they're not like huge air bubbles that are showed through the nail, the press-on nail, then it's totally fine. I love using press-ons because they're super convenient, super affordable, and now they just have so many different styles of nails. This is my favorite like go-to nail style, the French Manicure. The long ones, I love them because they have that cute little curve in the nail. So these are like my favorite nails that I always use, even before quarantine. And now I'm on the last nail, and I'm just also using the press-on nail to kind of like push my cuticles back a little bit, and you just file as you need to. Sometimes, you know, putting these nails on, touching your fingers, you know, it kind of like adds a little bit more oil, so you can just file that off as you go. Add the glue and press on the nail. Super quick, super easy, very convenient, And look at that, it just looks so nice. Like, it literally looks like I just stepped out of a salon, but I paid a fraction of the price. I just love these nails. They're my absolute favorite. Like I said, the length is perfect, the color is perfect, the size is perfect. My favorite nails. I just love the outcome of these nails, and I hope that you guys do too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.